Hi, I want to show you how to set up and use the Pop Design Hot Seat StadiumPlus. The first thing we're going to do is take the chair and put it onto a flat surface and bring the back up. You'll hear clicks as you bring it up. Don't bring it past 90 degrees and it will lock in place. If you do bring it past 90 degrees, it will unlock and go all the way back in the flat position. So bring it up to where you want it. Now you're nice and set, you're in position. Now I'm going to show you how to power on the heater. So first thing we want to do is, per the instructions, is take the battery out and make sure that the battery is powered on. We're going to do that by pushing the button and we'll see the lights come on in the battery. All right? And then we're going to go ahead and put the battery back in, and then we'll go ahead and push and hold the power button until the red light comes on. Now you see we've got power. That is high. It is heating the bottom and the back of the chair. Now I'm going to show you. Press it again and you're on medium. Press it again and you're on low. Press it again, you'll go back to high. Press it and hold it and it will go off. All right. Now, if you want the chair to go into a wide position, so we want to go ahead and remove the arms so that you can sit in without the arms, you simply take the chair down to the flat position and at the same time pushing both arms at the elbows here, you push the arms very hard and they will pop down. It's going to take a lot of force. Now they've popped down and you can bring the chair up without arms. All right? Works the same way. Bring it 90 degrees, lock it, 90 degrees, unlock it. Now if you want to reverse those arms and bring the arms back, turn it over onto its face and push hard down and unlock those arms. Bring them back to position, and now the arms are working again. That is the Pop Design Hot Seat StadiumPlus.